Over the last couple of years, I've heard a lot of people talking about data protection by design and data protection by default. But what does it actually mean? And what does it actually look like? Well, it would be easy to say data protection by design is a core tenet of GDPR and you have to do it. But that isn't really the answer you're looking for, is it? Data protection by design means having data protection conversations at the start of every project. Every time we're wanting to collect new information, we talk data protection, we talk privacy, we talk data subject rights. Building data protection into your culture, so people's behaviours, their attitudes, their underlying belief systems are built on data protection understanding. It's about getting data protection into the organisation as part of day-to-day business as usual. Now, I'm sure we've all been on that health and safety journey over the last 10 to 15 years. In the beginning, health and safety was the responsibility of the health and safety manager. Same with quality. Quality management, quality manager. And over the years, both of these disciplines have grown and evolved and matured into an understanding that it's everybody's responsibility. Data protection is at the start of that maturity. We need to get to a point where we understand that data protection isn't the responsibility of the data protection officer. The data protection officer is there to guide and facilitate and enable. But ultimately, good data protection is everybody's responsibility. Some of you may have heard me say this before, but I make no apologies for saying it again. I'm a data subject. You're a data subject. Everybody we care about in our lives, in our organisations, in our friendships, in our families, are all data subjects. When we get data protection right, the whole of society benefits. And ultimately, data protection is about looking after the fundamental rights and freedoms of those individuals. In doing that, we protect our organisation. But data protection is not there purely to protect our organisation. Let's start talking about data protection every day, in every aspect, in everything that we do. Because when we're doing that, then we're doing data protection by design. And then we get data protection by default. No magic solution, no magic beans, no easy shortcuts. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes will, it takes leadership.